Now we're shifting our focus to Washington. The fight is on in D.C. over the president's proposed bank tax, and analysts are divided over whether it really has a chance of becoming reality. Bloomberg's chief Washington correspondent Peter Cook is down in D.C. with the details for us. Peter?
Eric, the same day the president warned the banking industry not to send a phalanx of lobbyists out in opposition to his 10-year, $90 billion levy on banks, a phalanx of lobbyists hit the Hill to try and defeat the measure. They may face an uphill fight. Top Democrats in Congress already backing the plan, and Republicans are acknowledging in an election year opposing this tax will be difficult. By one analysis, Bank of America and J.P. Morgan would be hit the hardest. It would cost them more than $1.5 billion a year. The industry lobbyists say the tax is flawed in many respects, but their most compelling argument, they say, is that it will prevent banks from doing the kind of lending the administration wants them to do to bolster the recovery. House Financial Services Committee Chairman Barney Frank says the bankers have another option: pay themselves less.
We just have seen the payment of very large bonuses. Where was the concern about those being passed along to the consumer?
Right.
Clearly they are. So they have this option. They could pay fewer bonuses. They could reduce compensation.
Democrats should not have a big problem pushing this tax through the House, but the Senate, that's a different matter. It's a bigger challenge there. The financial services industry has a lot of allies in both parties. Now, the chairman of the Senate Finance Committee, Max Baucus of Montana, he's going to have to shepherd this tax through the Senate. He said in a statement yesterday he looks forward to reviewing the details and applauded the president's initiative, but he carefully stopped short of explicitly backing it. That is not insignificant. A lot of people notice that. One wild card here: Democrats could push the proposal through under budget rules requiring only 51 votes in the Senate as opposed to 60. Eric and Deirdre, that makes life a lot easier for those trying to push this through, if indeed it happens.